How to change username in Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Log into your account. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, which will open all these options. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Account Center at the top. After you're in Account Center, click on Profiles at the top. After you're in Profiles, select your Facebook account, then click on Username. After you click on Username, you will be able to change username from here and press on Done. After that, your username will be changed. And this is how to change username in Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.